Friends, today I'll show you something cool. A smart lock cylinder from a company called WELOCK. These guys have been making smart home access systems for over 10 years. Many of you already know that my channel now has a sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is a convenient and user-friendly service for anyone who needs to manufacture a printed circuit board or order a fully assembled device. The process is simple. You upload your project or enter the specifications, and right away you get an accurate quote and delivery timeline. No back and forth, no unnecessary delays or vague terms. The service offers production of various types of boards, from rigid to flexible, including multi-layer options. You can also order full assembly with components and functional testing. In addition, they provide stencils for solder paste application, as well as production of enclosures and mechanical parts, whether it's milling, 3D printing, sheet forming, or molding. Everything is easy to pay for, with no extra hassle. Shipping is available worldwide through reliable international services. The entire process is fully automated. You upload your files, the system checks them immediately and shows you the result. It's all handled under one roof, from your idea to the finished product. If you need something done quickly, easily, and with quality, PCBWay makes it simple. They offer a full lineup, both for European and American door standards. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out later. I chose a model that supports fingerprints, keypad entry, RFID tags, and smartphone control. It works with both iPhone and Android. It's surprisingly easy to use. First, you create an admin password, for example, 123456. Tap any key to activate, enter the code, press the lock icon, and it unlocks. A few seconds later, it automatically powers off. You can add up to 100 users, perfect for an office or a large family. Everyone can unlock it their own way, by finger, code, or card. The inside is well thought out. The handle adjusts to fit door thickness and trims. Assembly is simple. Remove the old cylinder, insert the new one, tighten the screw. No locksmiths, no extra tools. 10 minutes and done. You'll find detailed manuals and videos on their website. Everything is clear and easy to follow. Now let's talk about the app. This is where WELOCK truly shines. From the app, you can add or remove users, give temporary keys, or limit access times. You can set permanent or one-time access, whichever you need. I strongly suggest registering fingerprints through the app. It shows when the device is ready to scan and when it's done reading your print. If you go too fast, the system may get a blurry fingerprint image. That can make it react to almost any skin. I made that mistake once and thought it was a system glitch. Turned out it was my fault. I checked again. Works perfectly. Hats off. Really solid product. Installation's straightforward. Unscrew the handle or swap out the old cylinder, that's it. The adjustment is done once during installation. Under the metal housing, there's a screw that sets the handle distance. I don't have the right door here, so I'm showing just the cylinder itself. In real life, it looks neat and well made. Once you peel off the protective film, it looks even better. WELOCK offers models for both Europe and the US. You can pick whichever fits your region. There's also a module for smart home integration. You can buy it separately or bundled, for voice control via Alexa and others. Now a quick word about the brand. WELOCK is one of the leading brands in smart home access systems. Their locks combine 4 unlocking methods: fingerprint, PIN, card, and app. They install without any door modification. Just replace the cylinder and it works instantly. Remote control is supported via Wi-Fi bridge. Users praise its easy setup and reliability. And finally, open your door with a single touch. Voice control for your smart home. Control it from anywhere in the world. Simple access for every family member. Anti-peeping password protection. And DIY installation in just 10 minutes. I hope you'll like this lock as much as I do. You'll find all the links in the description below.